So that's the end of the third quarter, 44 to the Sunshine Girls, 22 to the Calypso Girls. Game on here in the National Indoor Sports Center. So that's the end of the game inside the National Indoor Sports Center. Let's hear it for the Sunshine Girls! 64 to the Sunshine Girls, 32 to the Calypso Girls. We get ready to interview the coach.
Connie, you've essentially won the series 2-0. Your thoughts on what you've seen from your girls?
I am proud of the effort of the game. The game went to plan. Start small, push the ball around, work for easy
no problem at all.
get the ball in your comfort zone. So we know that it will take us a longer time to get that ball in. So it's a matter of working our skills.
From Anissa Baptiste, and we must remember that
The Trinis would see this as somewhat of a victory in their own little way, because they held you to less. You won by almost 60 points the last time. Your thoughts on the difference?
till then, I'm sure
we have 14 girls, and we have to give them an opportunity to play. So I know they have a plan. I also have a plan. The plan is to give my girls, just to make a national players an opportunity to play and work to the skill. The only part I'm really disappointed in is the continuous call of the green caller. I thought that we are more than capable of making the adjustment. We have given up about 10 free shots, under the post, which is something that we have to look at.
Today's performance was much better than the last game. We worked a lot on team defense, and I saw that they came and they executed. It's just that lack of consistency. The passes between the offensive team were nice, but again, we still need to drive to the ball. So coming up for the other games, I believe the game was keenly contested by both teams, and I like that our players did not drop their heads tonight. And coming for the other game tomorrow, please God, we intend to come harder, stronger, and be more consistent. We're going to work on the things, our downfalls, so we can bring it into the game tomorrow, please God.